Okay, so this is a solubility graph. It shows us how many grams of a solute need to dissolve in 100 milliliters of water at a certain temperature in order to form a saturated solution. Here we see that at 100 degrees Celsius, a solution made with 100 milliliters of water and 250 grams of KNO3 forms a saturated solution. Okay, so on the x-axis in a solubility graph, we see the temperature recorded in degrees Celsius. On the y-axis, we have the solubility, which is measured in grams of the solute over 100 milliliters of water.